ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming the Nighthawks.
Who taught the birds to sing in the trees, y'all? Nobody. Who taught the flowers to dance in the breeze, y'all? Nobody. Just like the sea covers over the sand, I just so naturally took your hand. Well, I wanna be your lover, man. Who's gonna love you like this man can? Nobody. Nobody. Who taught the bee to gather his honey, y'all? Nobody. Who taught the sun today to be sunny now? Nobody. Just like the stars that glow in the sky, you got the look of love in your eye. You said me, baby, I'm telling you why. Now, who's gonna love you as good as I? Nobody. 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 Who taught the girls to talk like they talk? Nobody. A woman naturally turns a man on, just like the sun comes up with the dawn. I got to keep on keeping on. If I can't have you, you can't belong to nobody. Nobody. Oh. Nobody. Ready, boys? 1, 2, 3. Well, I say I love you. I say, oh yeah, oh yeah, because you're mine. All I wanna say, feeling this way, I love you. Now, come rain, come snow, come sunshine. Oh yeah, oh yeah, because you're mine. All I wanna say, feeling this way, I love you. I said, come rain, come snow, come sunshine. Because you're mine. Now, all I want to say, feeling this way, I love you. What I say, I love you. I say, oh, yeah, oh, yeah, because you're mine. All I want to say, feeling this way, I love you. Honest, I do, baby. Now you say your caddy ain't been driven right. You say you don't want that thing to sit idle all night. Just let me work on it, babe. I'll fix it up for you. I'll have your motor purring like a kitten, baby, when I get through. So, baby, don't panic, because I'm a shade tree mechanic. So, baby, don't panic, because I'm a shade tree mechanic. Now you say your carburetor ain't working fine. You tell me that you need your body aligned. Now don't you worry, pretty baby, I can take care of that time. I'll stop the radiator from a steaming. I'll replace the thermostat. So baby, don't panic, because I'm a shade tree mechanic. Well, now baby, don't panic, because I'm a shade tree mechanic. It's like Zach Sweeney on this guitar. Zach, I don't know if the van is gonna start. Let me try. I don't know. I might be flooded. It's gonna go, it's gonna go. Say I ain't had a good shoot-up in a long, long while. I'm gonna give you good service with a smile. I can solve all your problems if you let me under your hood. I'll change the oil, I'll clean it up, I'll lubricate it good. So baby, don't panic, because I'm a shade tree mechanic. Well, now baby, don't panic, because I'm a shade tree mechanic. Well, now baby, don't panic, I'm a shade tree mechanic. Well, now baby, don't panic, because I'm a shade tree mechanic. You know the curly-headed chicken fell in love with the chicken hawk. You know the curly-headed chicken fell in love with the chicken hawk. She fell head over heels for that hawk's sweet talk. She said, take me up, Hawky, take me up in the sky. She said, take me up, Hawky, take me up in the sky. Well, I'm a little bit of chicken and I don't know how to fly. Well, is it up and away? Hey, we gon' fly all day. He said up and away. Hey, we gon' fly all day. He said up and away. Well, that metal-bald-headed eagle flying up there in the blue. That metal-bald-headed eagle flying up there in the blue. There it is. The eagle told the hawk, I'm gonna steal that chicken from you. But you know the hawk started flying like a P-80 Sable jet. The hawk started flying like a P-80 Sable jet. Said, cool down, chicken. The eagle ain't got us yet. And you know what it said? It said up and away. Hey, we gon' fly all day. He said up and away. Hey, we gon' fly all day. He said up and away. Now swing it, daddy-o. Well, she asked for the sun and she asked him for the moon. Zach Sweeney. Well, she asked for the sun, she asked him for the moon. He said, cool down, baby, we're gonna be there soon. And they said, up and away, hey, we gonna fly all day. He said, up and away, hey, we gonna fly all day. He said, up and away. Now it's my turn. Well, I said up, up and away. We gon' fly all day. He said up, up and away. We gon' fly all day. He said up, 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 up and away. One more time. Up, up and away. We gon' fly all day. He said up, up and away. We gon' fly all day. He said up, 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 up and away. Baby, I want to be loved. You know the spark in your eye sets my soul on fire. Your voice is like angel of birth. The touch of your hand can drive me insane. Baby, I want to be loved. Well, I'm crazy about every little thing you do. I cherish the way you hug. Now your kiss is so sweet, honey, they can't be beat. Baby, I want to be loved. Well, now every time I ask you for a date, you don't come at all. Oh, you're mighty late. I ask you to dance a little spin. You say, wait a minute, daddy, here come my friend. I love the way you walk when you pass me by. Even when you try to snub, you know it kills me, honey, when you give me the eye. Baby, I want to be loved. Every time I ask you for a date, you don't come at all. Oh, you're mighty late. I ask you to dance a little spin. You say, wait a minute, daddy, here come my friend. I love the way you walk when you pass me by. Even when you try to snub, you know it kills me, honey, when you give me the eye. Baby, I want to be loved. A one, two. A pretty girl, a Cadillac, has some money, makes a rainy day or any day seems sunny. If that ain't living, man, you never will. Just do what you want. Forget about the bills. With a pretty girl, a Cadillac, has some money. A pretty girl, a Cadillac, has some money. Makes a rainy day or any day seems so sunny. Well, I had a friend that worked down at the grocery store. I got news for you folks, he don't work there no more. He's got a pretty girl, a Cadillac, and some money. Pretty girl, a Cadillac, and some money. It makes a rainy day or any day seems so sunny. Well, now if you ever see me passing through, when you speak to me, I don't speak to you. I got a pretty girl, a Cadillac, and some money. Pretty girl, a Cadillac, and some money, and some money, and some money, and some money. I want a pretty girl, a Cadillac, and some money. Well, I learned how to fall, and I learned how to fight. Well, I learned how to tell the wrong from the right. And there's just one thing I should have learned from the start. I never learned how to guard my heart. Well, I learned not to drink, and I learned not to jive. Well, I learned how to think. I learned how to survive. And there's just one thing I should have learned from the start. I never learned how to guard my heart. That's right. When you think you know it all and you think you're tough, that's when you discover that it ain't enough. 'Cause I learned how to fall and I learned how to fight. Well, I learned how to tell the wrong from the right. But there's still one thing I should have learned from the start. I never learned how to guard my heart. Now when you think you know it all and you think you're tough, that's when you'll discover that it ain't enough. 'Cause I learned how to fall, and I learned how to fight. Well, I learned how to tell the wrong from the right. And there's just one thing I should have learned from the start. I never learned how to guard my heart. I never learned how to guard my heart. I never learned how to guard my heart. And that's a true story. Soprano. Soprano. Woke up this morning and got yourself a gun. Now your mama always said you were the chosen one. But you're one in a million. You got to burn to shine. Born under a bad sign with blue moon in your eye. Yeah, woke up this morning, all that love had gone. Your papa never told you about right and wrong, but you're looking good, huh? And you're feeling fine. Shame about it. Born under a bad sign with blue moon in your eye. Yeah, woke up this morning with a blue moon in your eye. Woke up this morning, your world turned upside down. Things ain't been the same since Mr. Blues walked into town. But you're one in a million, you got that shotgun shine. Born under a bad sign with blue moon in your eye. Yeah, woke up this morning, got yourself a gun. Got yourself a gun. Got yourself a gun. woke up this morning with your world turned upside down. Things ain't been the same since Mr. Blues walked into town. But you're one in a million, you got the shotgun shine. I'm born under a bad sign with blue moon in your eye, yeah. Woke up this morning, got yourself a gun, got yourself a gun, got yourself a gun. Too many nights in a hotel watching HBO. What can I say? How's everybody doing? Thanks for being here with us. We're going to go a little overtime. I hope it's okay.
Y'all do it again, Mr. Mark Wenner and the whole crew, guys. Mark Wenner.
Just cry to me. Cry to me. Cry to me. Just cry. Yes, sir. Go ahead. This one goes out to one of my teachers, Mr. Taj Mahal. Paint my mailbox blue. Gonna move out to the country. Mailbox blue. It's a trailing vine, baby girl. Trailing vines to do. Lord of mercy. Like it. Yes, sir. Don't you know I'm leaving D.C., baby? Traffic done got me down. Leaving D.C., baby. Traffic done got me down. We'll move out to the Fairfax station, y'all. All these cool people's around. Come here, baby, baby, sweet baby. Pop her by the hand. Lord of mercy. Baby, sweet baby. Take your papa by the hand. Be your city boy, baby girl. City boy, country man. I hate you, brother. and do. Lord mercy. Give it up, Mark Wenner and the Nighthawks.
Mr. Saul Roots. Ain't it so pretty? People ain't this a crying shame. Ain't it so pretty? Fairfax ain't this a crying shame. It done got 9 below zero. She put me down for another man. I gave that woman all my money, all my love and everything. All my money, all my love and everything. Couple number 1. It done got 9 below zero. She put me down for another man. Man, that's cold. She lied to me. She didn't tell me everything. Oh, she lied to me. She didn't tell me everything. She didn't tell me about you or you or you. And it done got 9 below zero. And now my love don't mean a thing. It don't mean a thing, baby. Nine below zero. I think this fool have put me down. 9 below zero. You know, this fool have put me down. I got nowhere to stay and I ain't got not one dime. Fairfax, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
1, 2, 3. Cry, even though you had the last laugh on me. I ain't gonna be the first to cry, even though you had the last laugh on me. You're just a link in my chain, and you're gonna be sorry someday. Come on. Mark Wenner, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give him a round of applause. Huh? thrill is gone. Thrill is gone for good. Yeah, you know the thrill is gone. Thrill is gone for good. All right. You know you done me wrong. Yeah, you know you done me wrong. And you're gonna be sorry. Someday. Thank you.
Memphis Gold, y'all. Memphis Gold.